Welcome to Python tutorial. In this session, I am going to explain how to implement binary search technique using Python. Now, I am going to using a Python editor to developing a Python program. First, I am going to read the size of the list. N is equal to. I want to read the data from the standard input devices. I am using the one function. That function is called input. Input is a function which is used to read the data from the standard input devices. Enter the size of the list. So this input method read the data from the keyboard in the form of string. Written in the form of string, but I want in the form of integer. Then you should be applying the casting. How I am going to apply the casting? Int like this. See here, input is a method. It's going to read the data in the form of the strings. After that hint, I am going to apply the casting that will be convert the string into integer format. Okay. After, so I want to store the elements. Then I am going to taking a list. A is equal to 0 for I in range of n. Here I am going to declaring a one list, and then I am going to assigning 0 to list. After I am going to asking the user enter the elements of the list. So he is going to entering the so many elements. Then I have to store in particular list. Then I am going to taking I have to traverse the list. Then I am going to using for I in range of n, like this. So in Python, so we don't have any using any braces. So instead of braces, we are going to using indent. So I am going to reading the element to the list. A of I is equal to int of input. Okay. So with help of these two statement, I am going to read the data. I am going to store the data into the list. Now, so I want to see what are the elements which is present in the particular list. So I am going to display the list. So, elements of the list are below for I in range of n colon. So print of I fi. Okay. So I am going to read the data. Next I am going to display the data. Next I am going to asking the user please enter the searching element. Enter searching element. I am going to store that searching element to ELE variable of input. Okay. Next I have to apply the binary search technique. I am going to take low is equal to 0, high is equal to n minus 1, while low less than or equal to high colon. I have to find a mid is equal to low plus high or divided by 2. Once I get the mid, I have to search the my searching element is present at mid or not. If element is equal to a of mid, okay. So if the searching element is present at mid position, so I am going to assigning the that mid to position variable. So initially I have to take uh, position is equal to -1. So what is the meaning of position is equal to -1? It means initially I am going to assume that my searching element is not present at any position in the list. So that's the reason I am going to taking -1. If the searching element is present at mid position, I am going to assigning that mid to position. So once the element I am get, so I have to come out from the searching process. Okay. If the searching element is not present at mid position, I need to check whether searching element is greater than a of mid. Mhm. Okay. So it means searching element may be present at uh, right side of the mid position. Then have to set the boundary. So low is equal to mid plus 1. Low is equal to mid plus 1. Else if it is not present at the right side, if it is sometimes the element may be present at the left side, then I'm going to set high is equal to mid minus 1. So this is the binary search logic. So okay, after have to check what is there in that position. If POS element is greater than or equal to 0, that indicates my searching element is present at any POS position. So have to display the message print searching element is found at position comma POS. So else else means position greater than or equal to, it means position is equal to -1. That indicates element is not found at any position. Any position. So I have to save, Ctrl S. So to give the file name, first program dot py, file extension py, save. Now I want to run the program. So run model F5. Enter the size of the list. I'm going to give 3. So enter the elements of list 1, 2, 3. Enter the searching element 3. Searching element is found at position 2. Again I'm going to running the same program. So 3, 1, 2, 3. Searching element is 2. Searching element is found at position 1. Again I'm going to running the same program. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Searching element is found at position 1. Now I want to running the same program. So 3, 1, 2, 3. Searching element is 4. The element is not found at any position. So what is the condition for binary search? Means input must be in ascending order or descending order. Thank you very much.